Back at it here after being sick for like a week. Just got my hair cut, but got a couple things I want to do on the Miata. I actually just ordered a new NRG hub and quick release. I want to swap it out because the one that I have on the car now doesn't really fill this area and it kind of looks weird to me, so I think it'll be nice. Plus I want to kind of bring it out just a little bit so I can have more leg room, and also I can remove the steering wheel whenever I want to. The other thing is that the wheels that I put on here are slightly rubbing on the banjo bolts on the caliper. So I actually ordered some slim bolts for that from Flying Miata. Gonna swap those out. Never really done it before, but shouldn't be too hard. And then hopefully can drive this thing. Right now I also do have a set of like 6mm spacers on the front just because it was rubbing and I didn't really know what the issue was. Hopefully the bolt situation will fix that. I did actually order a set of 3mm spacers from Goodwin Racing, I believe. So I'll probably throw those on when they get here just to bring it out just a hair. But other than that, the fitment's pretty on point. And as much as I didn't really want to, I think I'm gonna lower the car just a little more. I've honestly been tempted to like bag it or something lately, but I don't know. One more quick thing too is that I do actually plan on attending Clean Culture Florida. I think it's like March 8th. I'm gonna trailer the car down. Hopefully get a couple people to come with. If you wanna come with, hit me up. I'm gonna get a hotel and all that. Should be super fun. I've never been to Florida, so definitely looking forward to that. Guess I'm just gonna start out with the quick release. Hopefully I can get the old hub off. I know they're kind of difficult to get off sometimes, especially with these Allen heads on the steering wheel that tend to strip out. What I'm actually gonna do first is pop the horn out and take the bolt off that's actually holding the steering wheel on, just because I want to have some leverage to pull this off before I remove all the screws from the steering wheel. Definitely want to keep the steering wheel straight while doing this so I don't throw off the actual alignment of the wheel. Doesn't seem like it's going to be too hard to come off this time. There we go. Yeah, this little hub right here is nice, but it definitely doesn't fill out the giant hole that was from the stock one. So hopefully the NRG is going to look a lot better. Gonna unbox all this and see what it has. I think that should match my center caps pretty well. This thing actually comes in like 3 pieces, so I'm gonna take the original hub, mount the one part of the quick release to it, and then put that on the car, and then get the wheel straight on the other part how I want it, and then it should connect. Another thing I should mention too from the last video is that I did look at a couple cars I was interested in getting. They didn't really turn out to be what I wanted, as usual, but I did end up ordering a super cool lip for this car that I've been wanting. Should be here in about 3 or 4 weeks from Japan. Pretty excited about it. It's honestly like the one thing I've been wanting for this car, so hopefully I can get that on and paint it and all that and be ready for Florida. So I finally got this thing kind of on and lined up. I want to see how straight the front wheels are before I bolt everything on. Should be exactly where I had it last time. I think that's exactly where I need it, so I'm gonna finish this up. Just got it all done here. Just got to tighten these up a little more, but I think that looks a lot better. Take this off obviously, but this definitely fills out this gap more. Brung it out just a little more too so my knees can clear. Pretty happy with it. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Looks a lot better, but now on to the fun part. I'm gonna jack it up and see about changing these bolts out. So you can see right here, this bolt that sticks out was actually hitting the inner wheel. I ground it down a little bit, just right here, so it could clear for now. But hopefully the new bolt will take care of all that. Got the new little bolt here, super low profile. Never really changed one of these out before. Hopefully I don't have to bleed the brakes or anything, but got the new copper fittings and stuff. Should be pretty easy. See how it goes. So I just swapped that out. Super easy actually. Hopefully it doesn't leak. I'm gonna hit the brakes a few times and see if it's good. Doesn't seem to be leaking. Hopefully the wheel will clear now without the spacer. Let's try it. So unfortunately it is still rubbing without the spacer, that is. I think once I get the 3mm it should be fine. For now I just threw the 6mm back on there just to get it on the ground. I probably won't even change this other side out until I get those spacers, just because there's no point in taking off the wheel. About to take her for a little rip here. I don't think this car has honestly ever seen snow. Hopefully it starts up. Tires probably aren't rated for the snow, but just gonna go around the block. Just sliding. Maybe I'll do a little donut back here. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Driving it. Definitely no traction right now. This thing can literally turn around right in the middle of the road, no problem. Get a little candid shot. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, steering wheel is actually super straight, so I'm happy about that. I think I'm gonna end this video here though. That was actually pretty fun. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more. Gonna be doing some giveaways soon. Also, if you do want to go to Clean Culture, hit me up. We can plan it out, get a convoy going. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.